Blizzards are severe winter storms characterized by strong winds, blowing snow, and reduced visibility. They often involve a combination of freezing temperatures, heavy snowfall, and gusty winds. Blizzards can create whiteout conditions, where snow and blowing snow reduce visibility to near zero levels. This makes it extremely difficult to navigate and can be dangerous for both pedestrians and drivers. Blizzards bring frigid temperatures, and when combined with strong winds, they can create dangerously low wind chill values. Floods are one of the most common natural disasters worldwide. They occur when water overflows onto normally dry land, often due to heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or dam failure. Flash floods, river floods, and coastal floods are different types of floods. Unlike droughts, floods are rapid onset disasters that can develop quickly and with little warning.